Yo, what's up guys, this is Hadi from Hadi Tech, back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be walking you through how you can earn money by reviewing apps and softwares. Yes, you heard that right. There is a website by the name of Capterra. It's owned actually by Microsoft, and it does pay you via gift cards if you review softwares and their services. So we're gonna be explaining everything in this video, but before we jump into our video, as usual, kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and yeah, without further ado, let's just start with this video. Like I said before, Capterra is a directory for softwares and businesses and services. So a lot of big name companies and services that you use probably on regular or a daily basis are listed in here. But like I said before, there's a twist, and that twist, when you review these apps, you get paid through gift cards. Essentially, you can trade those or just use those gift cards. Okay, but the first thing that you need to do is just click the link in the description down below. It will take you to capterra.com, and what you need to do is just very simple. Click on write a review, and in here you can see all the products that are listed on Capterra. You can go by the filter from which you can select the category and just scroll through these apps or services, or you can sort them by the popularity, but that does not matter. You can pick anyone, and you can use ChatGPT, for example, to write a review, but make sure it's not really AI generated. You can use the AI to give you some insights about the software or the product that you are reviewing, but then change it a bit, give it your own twist, then upload it, because otherwise your review would not be approved on Capterra, because they do detect AI generated stuff. So let's just look for something that we are familiar with, like a product that we used before, and let's just see if we can review it. So as you can see, there are MailChimp and OmniSend, which are one of the best email marketing tools, and I'm familiar with them both, and you got constant contact as well. So let's just do OmniSend, because why not? As you can see here, the first thing that you need to do is sign in with your LinkedIn account, because you need to have a LinkedIn account to write a review. So click on sign in and click on continue with LinkedIn, and just like that you can start writing your review. So the first thing it says, would you rate overall quality of this product? I will give it a 5-star. Why not? The pros of what did you like about this product. So again, you can use ChatGPT, or you can use the integrated Copilot, for example. So let's just pull some of that up in here, and give it to Copilot. All right, I'll just tweak it. I'll just tell it to make it humane and cohesive a bit, and list them in a proper manner, then and copy and paste them in the pros section. Okay, so like I said or mentioned, guys, all you need to do is just use some AI tools to generate these pros and cons, and also describe the whole experience with the product that you selected. All you need to do, like I said, just add a bit of your own twist. Do not just copy paste them, because otherwise your review would not be accepted. Once everything is just done, you fill in these tabs right here, click on continue. Okay, and let me just close this, and it will just ask you some questions about the product itself. So it says here, how long have you used OmniSend? I've used it for quite a lot of time, so yeah, it's definitely less than 6 months though. The next question, it says, how frequently do you use OmniSend? I've been using it on a daily, because I was gathering some email lists and stuff like that. And in what capacity do you use OmniSend? Definitely email marketing and automation as well. Those are the main things that I was using Omnisend for. And also in here, what is your role using Omnisend? I'm a user, obviously, non-administrator. But by the way, just forget to mention that these questions probably would differ, depends on the product that you selected, so it may not be the same. So yeah, that's that. Let's just click on continue. The ease of use is definitely so easy. The features and functionality, oh my god, I cannot even speak. I would give it a 3-star. The customer support is just excellent. The value for the money is quite pricey for the stuff that you get, so I'm gonna give it 4 stars. And easy of deployment is definitely easy as well. And in here it says, how does the pricing for Omnisend compare to the similar products? So for example, if we compare them to MailChimp, which is a competitor, definitely it's quite pricey. So I would, give them expensive rating. How likely you would recommend Omnisend to a friend or a colleague? I would definitely give it a 7. So yeah, let's just click on continue. And in here it says mobile optimized emails. Yes, it is actually high. And by the way, whenever you select this, like this tab will open, and it is optional to actually fill in these details. But if you do, you're likely to get your review approved. So make sure to actually fill in these details as well. And I will just give it a 5-star here. Template management, it's also good, and it's critical in my opinion. Also, campaign scheduling is also critical in my opinion, or high as I will see it. Event trigger action, I would not see it as I have not actually used it. Yes, I have not used it, so I cannot speak on it. Campaign analytics definitely is critical. So there's that, and email marketing is definitely critical. And yeah, I've not tested this one also as this one. Okay. Make sure also to fill in these tabs, guys, so you will get your review approved as well. Click on continue once everything is done. Do you switch from another? No, I did not. Integration, yes, I did. And that would be Shopify and also WordPress. Do we have WordPress in here? Okay, yeah, we do. And yeah, let's just click continue. And in here, as you can see, it says the company name. So put in your name. I'll put in my name. The company size, myself only. The industry is definitely in digital marketing. Do we have anything regarding the marketing stuff or niche? Do we have anything regarding that? I just do internet, and we have marketing here, so we filled in the job title as well, the country, and we can post a review anonymously. And let's just take this as well and click submit. Once you submit your review, it will just pass along 3 steps. As you can see, first one is the assessment, so they will assess your review. Then second one, if they approve it, they will publish it on Capterra. Then the third, they will send you the gift card on your email. All right. So yeah, that's that. Okay, let me just show you one thing before I go, because a lot of people would actually doubt the legitimacy of this website. So let me show you something. So let's just go back and log into our account, and if we click on my rewards, let's just go to my rewards. As you can see, we have been gifted €5 gift card, and that was on January 6, 2023. And yeah, I just received a Amazon gift card for reviewing Grammarly business. All right, so like I said, guys, you can really do pretty much every service that you have used before or that you know of that is decent, and you can pretty much leave a lot of reviews and gain a lot of gift cards, okay, doing this process. If you want to sell your gift card, all you need to do is just go to GameFlip and list your gift card in here. And trust me, it's one of the biggest networks for buying and selling gift cards, and it will just be sold with a quickness. So yeah, that's it for today's, guys. If you like this video, definitely drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. That will help us immensely. Take care of yourselves, guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.